Let me show you how to edit a video and then add motion graphics that looks like these in seconds. I uploaded a video of me talking. I made many repeated takes. Let me just play you a little bit. Today we're releasing a new version of the ChatCut app. Today we're releasing a new version. So it goes on and on just like this. Let me just edit it with one prompt. Clean out my talking head, remove repeated takes, give me a nice promo for ChatCut. Alright, polish your talking head video, blah blah blah. Okay, let's play this a little bit. Today we're releasing a new version of the ChatCut app. This version is going to feature improvements in 3 aspects. Number 1, so I got my talking part edited and I want to add some motion graphics. There is a fun sequence here that I think could be a good idea with no After Effects, no Premiere, no learning DaVinci Resolve. So I'm going to prompt the motion graphics agent to generate me some dramatic graphics for that scene. Make some dramatic motion graphics saying After Effects, Premiere, DaVinci Resolve are dead. With no After Effects, no Premiere, no learning DaVinci Resolve. How nice is that? I want to make some graphics for this part as well. This version is going to feature improvements in 3 aspects. I want to illustrate the 3 aspects as easy as, just explaining it. Lay out the 3 key improvements: stability, UI, and motion graphics. Make it simple, elegant, Apple style. Let us take a look. This version is going to feature improvements in 3 aspects. Number 1, simple, classy, Apple style. Let's say that while I'm talking, I want to see the 5-day weather forecast in exactly this style. I just need to screenshot it, and I'll click on this image button to import a reference photo. Let's play back. It should work really well. I think you're only as creative as... Nice. This is the reference. I would say it's pretty close. Let's do a little bit of prediction here. So this is the top Gen AI startups in 2025. And let us screenshot that. And we're going to reference it. Make a top growing startup list of 2026 where you predict ChatCut to overtake OpenAI to become the #1 startup in the world. Transparent background. They're so hard to make, and it doesn't have to be the case anymore. The AI will be able to help ChatCut overtaking OpenAI and becoming the top startup of 2026. So maybe you should get on ChatCut right now.